In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication for your Bluehost login. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring not only your password, but also a second form of identification. It's an essential step in ensuring the safety of your online data, and I'm here to guide you through the process. First, you'll need to log in to your Bluehost control panel. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Bluehost website. Once there, enter your login credentials. This is typically your email and password associated with your Bluehost account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your control panel. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the account icon, which is often represented by your profile picture or initials. Click on the account icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says My Profile. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account details and settings. Now that you're in the My Profile section, it's time to scroll down and locate the Security section. This is where you'll find various settings related to securing your account. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the two-factor authentication area. This section is specifically dedicated to setting up the additional layer of security we're focusing on today. Once you've located the two-factor authentication area, you'll see an option to activate the service. Click on Activate. At this point, you may be prompted to enter additional information or follow further instructions to set up two-factor authentication for your account. This might include using an authenticator app on your smartphone or receiving a verification code via SMS. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. As you go through the process, keep in mind that enabling two-factor authentication significantly enhances the security of your account, making it much more difficult for unauthorized users to gain access. It may seem like an extra step during login, but the added security is well worth it. After you've successfully activated two-factor authentication, you'll notice it's now turned on in your security settings. It's as simple as that. You've now added an additional layer of security to your Bluehost account, providing peace of mind and better protection of your personal information. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you feel more secure knowing you've taken a critical step towards safeguarding your account. Don't forget to keep your two-factor authentication details secure, just as you would your password. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more tips on keeping your online presence safe.